Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best LS harness is probably one of the most important components for a successful LS engine swap, ensuring your new engine integrates seamlessly with your vehicle's electrical system. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right LS standalone wire harness for your project, covering key factors such as compatibility, features, and installation. Number 5. LS34L60E Engine Wiring Harness. This harness offers a complete solution for your LS3 engine and 4L60E transmission. It's designed for a seamless installation and improved reliability. It includes all necessary engine and transmission connectors, plus dash connections for essential gauges and indicators. Everything you need is right here. It's compatible with various vehicles and engine sizes from 2003 to 2007, including Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Hummer trucks. Check compatibility before purchasing. A grommet and sliding bellows sealing ring ensure a professional, leak-proof installation. Detailed instructions are included for a smooth process. It's built to last with high-quality materials and a robust design. Enjoy long-term performance and reliability. While designed for ease of use, we always recommend professional installation for optimal results and to avoid any potential issues. What we like. This harness includes everything you need for a smooth installation. It's designed for straightforward assembly, saving you time and frustration. The durable materials ensure a long-lasting, reliable performance, perfect for those who value quality and longevity. If you value a complete, easy-to-install, and durable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Loomed nice and will work on most LS swaps. Love that ECM fit in glove box, no wires showing. I like the harness kit was able to get the engine wiring all done. Number 4. ZZCSZ LS Standalone Harness. This kit contains all necessary engine and transmission connectors, plus dash connections for a seamless installation. It's designed for a smooth and easy setup. It's compatible with GM Vortec engines from 1999 to 2006, specifically those with drive-by-cable throttle bodies and 4L60E or 4L80E transmissions, with adapter. Make sure your engine is compatible before purchasing. It comes with detailed instructions for mounting under the dash or in the kick panel. A parts list is also included to ensure a straightforward process. Proper grounding is essential for optimal performance. We recommend professional installation to ensure everything is correctly grounded and connected. This is not a universal replacement part. It comes with a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. Contact us immediately if you have any questions, we're here to help you. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide range of engines and transmissions. The detailed instructions make installation a breeze, even for beginners. Plus, it comes with a warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you need a widely compatible harness with clear instructions and a warranty, this is your best bet. What people say. Harness went in without an issue, was too long for my application, but that is a good thing honestly. It could swap into just about anything. Felt like good quality, no need to spend $800 for an equivalent harness. Started right up today without a single issue. Product was very well packaged and included all connectors for engine swap. Super easy install once you figure out routing. Car started up without any drama, totally surprised, was expecting a fight. Number 3. HPI 03-07 Vortec Standalone Harness. This harness is designed for 4.8, 5.3, and 6.0 Vortec engines with drive-by-wire throttle. It's compatible with various PCMs and fuel injectors, making it a versatile upgrade. It's designed for easy installation and compatibility. We've made it as simple as possible to get you up and running. Unlike other harnesses, this one comes with free phone tech support. We're here to help you every step of the way. We are confident in our product and can solve almost any problem you may encounter. Please contact us before requesting a return. Need fuel injector adapters? We offer those too. Just let us know during or after your order, and we'll take care of it. This aftermarket harness is ready to ship and will get you back on the road quickly. Contact us if you have any questions about fitment. What we like. Unlike others, this harness offers free phone tech support. It ships quickly, getting your project moving faster. Need injector adapters? It can provide them. If you need quick support, fast shipping, and a customizable solution, this is the ideal choice. Number 2. iKer 4L60E LS Swap Harness. This harness simplifies your LS engine swap. It's designed for a seamless installation and superior performance. It's compatible with GM-DBC LS1 Vortec engines, 4.8L, 5.3L, and 6.0L from 1997 to 2006, and a 4L60E transmission. This makes it a versatile solution for many projects. It uses high-conductivity copper core wires for reliable power delivery. These wires are also corrosion and wear-resistant for long-lasting performance. The color-coded connectors make installation a breeze. Plus, a detailed instruction manual is included to guide you through each step. Your purchase includes the complete wiring harness and an easy-to-follow English manual. Everything you need for a successful installation is in the box. We appreciate your business and are committed to your satisfaction. Your trust in iKer means everything to us. What we like. It uses high-conductivity copper wiring for optimal performance. The color-coded connectors make installation simple and intuitive. It offers great value for your money. If you're looking for a high-performing, easy-to-install, and budget-friendly option, consider this one. What people say. Exact. Fits great, cheaper than alternative. Number 1. Swap Wire Harness 4L60E DBW. This harness simplifies your engine swap. It's designed for a seamless installation and improved performance. Say goodbye to complex wiring. It makes the process incredibly easy, saving you valuable time and effort. It's compatible with various Chevy, GMC, Cadillac, and Hummer Vortec and LS engines. It ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle. It works perfectly with Vortec 8-cylinder engines and 4L60E gearboxes. This ensures optimal performance and reliability. You'll receive a complete engine and transmission harness, along with an easy-to-follow instruction manual. Everything you need is right here. It's designed for a smooth, trouble-free installation. It's the perfect solution for your upgrade. Remember, it's only suitable for EV6 injectors and 12 to 14 volts. It is not compatible with EV1 injectors. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to assist you every step of the way. What like? This harness is compatible with a wide range of vehicles and engines. The design prioritizes ease of installation. It's a complete kit, including everything you need. If you need a widely compatible, easy-to-install, complete kit, this is a great option. What people say. Everything hooked with no issues. This is essentially a Gen 4 harness for a Gen 3 ECU, blue-green. It does have terminated EV6 injector pigtails. Not adapters. It's a mostly straightforward harness with decent paperwork to go along with it. The colors did match up to what I had in my harness, and they are all pretty darn close to the OE colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.